you ever played a sport at a young age. It's a lot easier to pick up the game at slower pace, and you even get more game time experience. It helps to teach certain characteristics to kids at an early age, and you gain more knowledge that helps you play competitively at both a high school and college level. You should really encourage kids to start playing sports at a young age. That's what I did, and it helped me, I believe, tons. It's a lot easier to pick up certain skills when you're little because the coaches provide more practice time and they work more with you one-on-one. It really teaches kids patience. That was something I really lacked when I started first playing sports, and I have a lot more patience now than I did then. Having the one-on-one time with coaches also allows a person to improve at a skill that they're trying. As I got older, I was able to be more of a skilled player, and I went off more on my own to practice rather than still trying to learn logistics of the game. You also have a lot more fun when you start off early because you have tons of game time experience. It doesn't matter what level you're at or what skills you will play, and you will gain that knowledge from playing against other kids. It really teaches good characteristics like dedication and motivation. It teaches you those, and they affect both your home, your school, and game time. At home, it really teaches you that you need to be more dedicated to getting your work done outside of school, but also to be more motivated to get chores done in order to dedicate more of your own time to what needs to be done. You also learn a lot more respect having a coaching figure, so your parents will definitely appreciate that. And although sports require a lot of time, you learn so many valuable skills that it's just unbelievable. You become a lot more disciplined in your schoolwork. A lot of times, you're required to maintain a certain grade point average in order to play the sport. Therefore, it forces kids to try their absolute best at everything school-wise in order to continue playing the sport that they really, really love. You also gain more of a level head. I had a really bad temper when I started, and being forced to learn patience, respect, everything, it really taught me that I needed to maintain a level head and I couldn't get excited over something, and that I needed to just let the refs handle everything. Your knowledge expands so much, and it is unbelievable how well that helps you both in high school, college, and then even in your jobs. Because you're more efficient in your schoolwork, you're able to handle larger loads by this time in your life. So you're able to do more dedicated study time in order for your grades to reflect that you are deserving of playtime. You have the skill set at this point needed in order to compete competitively. By this age, they take your skilled and dedicated players and basically put them on the field. So learning all of those skills at such a young age and learning them more one-on-one with a coach definitely helps. And you also gain the necessary characteristics to really overachieve everything you need in college. So your grades are good, you're effectively playing your sports, which therefore you will get your degree. Getting your degree allows you to get a really good job, and having all of these characteristics are very important for your job as well. It's something that employers look at. Hopefully, I've convinced you or persuaded kids, families, or coaches to start introducing sports playing at younger ages. You'll have more game time, and you'll have a lot more fun because of it, but you'll also pick up certain skills. You will be able to gain certain characteristics that you use in everyday life, and you will also be able to expand your knowledge and be able to play competitively at all ages possible. I really encourage you to recommend that kids play sports from a young age.